Meet Dave. He's still 25, still no car, still no stable income. But now, he's different because he knows something most people don't. Making money isn't about luck, it's about leverage. And right now, Dave has none. He's still trading time for money. Flipping items helped him survive, but it didn't change his life. If he stops working, the money stops too. And that's a problem. So one night, sitting in his apartment again, Dave asks a better question. What skill can I learn that people will actually pay for? Not a hobby, not something fun, something valuable, something useful, something people already spend money on. So he starts searching, scrolling, watching, reading, and very quickly, he gets overwhelmed. There are too many options. Coding, design, video editing, copywriting, marketing. Everything sounds like money, but also confusing. Dave almost gives up. Again. But then he realizes something simple. He doesn't need the perfect skill. He just needs a skill that 1, people already pay for, 2, he can learn fast, 3, he can sell quickly. So he makes a decision. No overthinking, no more scrolling. He picks one thing, video editing. Why? Because content is everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, ads, businesses. Everyone needs video, and most people don't know how to edit. That's an opportunity. So Dave sets a goal. 30 days, 1 skill. No excuses. He doesn't buy an expensive course. He doesn't wait for the perfect moment. He starts immediately. Day 1, he downloads free software, opens it, and instantly feels lost. Buttons everywhere, timelines, effects, nothing makes sense. But instead of quitting, he keeps going, watching tutorials, copying what he sees, trying, failing, retrying. Hours go by, and the progress? Almost invisible. Day 2, day 3, day 5, still bad, still slow, still frustrating. And once again, that voice comes back. This isn't working. You're wasting time. Just go back to what's safe. But Dave doesn't stop, because this time he understands something different. Every skill feels hard until it doesn't. And that changes everything. Now he's not just trying, he's improving. Slowly, but for real. Week 2, something starts to click. Dave is still not good, but now he's faster. He understands the basics, cuts, timing, simple effects. Nothing fancy, but it works. So he makes his next move. He doesn't wait to be perfect. He decides to find his first client. He reaches out to small creators, small businesses, anyone who needs content. Most ignore him. Some say no, a few don't even reply. But one person replies, a small YouTuber. He needs help editing videos. Dave offers to do the first video for cheap, just to prove himself. He spends hours on it, fixing mistakes, rewatching, improving every detail. Finally, he sends the video and waits. The client replies. He likes it and sends Dave $50. It's not a lot, but it's different. This time, he didn't flip something, he created value, and that changes the game completely. $50 turns into $200, $200 turns into $500, and eventually thousands. Because now Dave has something he didn't have before, a skill, something he can use anytime, anywhere. And that's the difference between making money and building income. So the real question is, what skill are you going to learn?